Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by going straight to the Themes area. Unlock your phone and open Settings, or long press the home screen to bring up Wallpaper and Themes. Once there, tap the Themes app or the Themes tab inside Wallpapers and Themes. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data if Samsung needs to confirm purchases or sync. This first step locates the controls we will change. It prevents confusion and saves time when we switch off automatic theme application. Now move into the Themes menu settings and locate Auto or Dynamic options. Open the menu or your profile icon and choose Settings. Once inside, switch off Auto Apply, Dynamic Themes, or similar toggles, and also disable Sync so changes don't reapply from your Samsung account. After disabling, go back to My Stuff or Wallpapers and choose Default, System, or a stock theme to revert appearance immediately. This ensures icons, wallpaper, and lock screen return. Finish by cleaning up residual settings. Go to Settings, Apps, Themes, and clear cache. If problems persist, clear data, but note this removes saved themes. Once done, restart the phone to force System UI to reload and make sure the default theme sticks. If themes keep reappearing, sign out of your Samsung account or uninstall any third-party theme packs, then check for system updates. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing themes data and rebooting almost always fixes stuck or cached theme behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.